Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamiu. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on subscribe button. Today, I will show you how you can easily differentiate this expression with respect to x. I will show you two different ways by which you can differentiate this expression. Let's get started. To differentiate this expression is easy and straightforward. So the first method I would like to show you is expansion. You can expand this expression, then differentiate it. So how do I mean? If you have x squared minus 1 over x, everything squared, you can expand this so that it will be x squared minus 1 over x, then another one x squared minus 1 over x. So let's open our bracket. To open this bracket, we have x squared multiplied by x squared. This will give us x raised to power 4 because it's more or less like you are having x from law of indices, you are having x raised to power 2 plus 2, which is x raised to power 4. So therefore, you have x raised to power 2 multiplied by x to the power 2, we have x raised to power 4, x raised to power 2 multiplied by minus 1 over x. This will give you this carries plus, this carries minus, so it will be minus times plus, this will give us minus. So x squared times 1 times minus 1 over x, this will give you x squared divided by x minus 1 over x multiplied by x squared. This will give you minus x squared over x minus 1 over x times minus 1 over x. This will give you plus 1 over x squared. So with this, we can now differentiate this expression to have our result. So we have x raised to power 4 minus this x, we cancel this square because this x square is more or less like x times x. So 1x we cancel this, 1x we cancel this. We are left with minus x minus x. This will give us minus 2x. That's increase in negative, minus minus, plus 1 over x squared. From law of indices, this 1 over x squared is more or less like x raised to power minus 2. So let's write our plus x raised to power minus 2. This is what we have now. So let's differentiate this. So from rule of differentiation, this you bring 4 to the front, you have 4 multiplied by x, then 4 minus 1. So minus this x carries 1. So it shows that if you bring that the power to the front, that's 1 times 2. At this you have 2 times 1, then x raised to power 1 minus 1. So plus x raised to power minus 2. So just open the bracket, bring minus 2 to the front, multiply by x raised to power minus 2 minus 1. So let's expand this. We have 4x, 4 minus 1, this will give us 3, minus 2 times 1, this is 2, times x, this is x raised to power 1 minus 1, it will give us x raised to power 0. Let me write it out. So we now have 2 multiplied by x raised to power 0 plus into bracket minus 2 x raised to power minus 3. So from this, let's open up the two brackets. We have 4x raised to power 3 minus any number raised to power 0 is 1 according to law of indices, minus 2 times 1, this will give you 2, plus, so plus times minus, this will give you minus, so we have minus 2x raised to power minus 3. So let's rewrite this. We can easily rewrite this. So we have 4x raised to power 3 minus 2 minus this minus can change to 1 over according to law of indices. So we now have 2 multiplied by 1 divided by x raised to power 3. So our final answer will now be 4x raised to power 3 minus 2 minus 2 divided by x raised to power 3 with respect to x. If you like this video, kindly click on subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on bell icon to stay up to date for my upcoming videos. Thank you.